Hello, hello, hello. Hope you guys are doing great. You that are watching this video. So today, I want to explain very quickly how Graham Sales Academy works, all the process, all that good stuff, because I know that you were interested in it. So let me actually just share my screen in here, and by doing so, do this. Perfect. So I have my handy iPad, and you probably came from either my Instagram or one of the advertisers that we have. Or I don't know, maybe you came from this video right here that we have multiple people commenting the word social closer. Okay, so my goal here today is explain to you. If you haven't checked this video, by the way, you should be on YouTube, and you should check the video in the description, which is going to be this one that explains also how to make $100,000 a year with Instagram in 3 simple steps. But I'm going to explain here how our Graham Sales Academy program works and the process for it all, and how literally my guarantee to you is very simple. That's over the next 6 to 8 weeks after the process, you're going to have a vehicle to be able to make at the very minimum $100,000 over the next 12 months. Okay, and we have that in writing, and I guarantee. And if we don't complete the guarantee, you simply get the money back that you paid in order to get into Graham Sales Academy. And I'll explain why this is, how this works, all that stuff here on this video. So stick to the very end. Because I'm also going to give you next steps in order for you to participate. Now, quick thing, for anybody that wants to be part of Graham Sales Academy, we are starting, right now is April 13th as I'm recording this video. We are starting a new case study group where myself, the team, closer and everything, we're going to be working one-on-one with every person that comes in, and we're only accepting 15 to 20 spots. 20 spots is the max, okay? And the reason for this is because we want to make sure that every single person is successful. And the last time we did this, actually, let me show you this. The last time we did this, we actually did it a couple years ago, one-on-one, just like this. And one of the last cohorts or case studies that we did was actually Dave. Dave, 3 years ago, was a bartender, got laid off because of the pandemic in 2020. And first month, he did $19,000 in profit, okay, first 30 days. Today, he's a multimillionaire, has his own business, all that good stuff. So you can check out more about the story from Ecom Dave right here on my YouTube channel, which is going to be this video right here if you want to check it out. Let me pull it up right here. This right here, boom. Became a millionaire on Instagram. I'm also going to leave the link down here on this video. Okay. Now, a couple of things that I want to take care of right now. Maybe you also saw this video right here where I was saying, hey, how you can use Instagram to make $300,000, $500,000 an hour, and I'll explain the logic and show you the proof and all the numbers and everything else right here. Okay, so let me pull my handy iPad in order to do so. So number one, Graham Sales Academy, as its name says, the whole point of it is to show you how you can use Instagram and your phone in order to make sales and profit from Instagram, and this counts even if you don't have a business right now, okay? Even if you don't have a business, you don't have any experience, you're starting from zero, etc. Okay? So, number one, let me explain the business model. So, as you see right here, we literally have hundreds and hundreds of clients, like a ton, like a lot. And let me just give you an example. So, let's just say, I don't know, okay, so this guy right here, Nick Santanastaso, okay, which I'm gonna actually pull up his Instagram account so you can take a look at it and see what I'm referring to when it comes to this. Okay, so let me just put Nick Santanastaso, boom, right here. He's actually one of our clients, great success story. Okay, so look, Nick Santanastaso has 600,000 followers, okay? He has obviously a program that's about personal development and mindset and coaching and stuff like that he's selling on his website, okay? Now, as you see, for example, a lot of times on this post, for example, 17,000 likes, 300 comments, and on here, he is promoting. So who wants to join my inner circle? Again, his program is the inner circle. If yes, click link in bio and join me right now. Boom, link in bio, right? So he's pushing a lot of people to the link in bio right here, where he's selling his self-doubt, overcome confidence in 3 simple steps, victorious inner circle, etc., which is his program, okay? So that's that. Now, let me give you an example of how all this will work. So Nick's program, I think he sells that one for $97 a month. Then he has an upsell for like 3 to 5K or something like that. Now, here's the problem that Nick has and every single one of our clients has. They have way too much traffic, okay? In order to grow the business at the beginning, you need to be taking all the sales calls yourself. You need to be delivering to all the clients yourself. You need to be doing everything yourself. But as you grow, the problem is that you don't have time no longer to do some of these things. One of them is to talk to people one-on-one, explain the business, and close them, okay? As you see already, there's 600,000 people, and per post, there's 17,000 people that are interested in what Nix has to offer. It is virtually, like literally humanly impossible for any one person to talk to 600,000 people, right? In order to sell the product and services because he wants to grow the business. So this is where you come in, and this is why I need your help, and this is the reason why we're putting together Gram Sales Academy and why we're doing this in the first place, okay? I need your help. I want to partner up with you pretty much on this. So, example, okay? So Nick is here, Ecom Dave, all these guys that have a business, etc. So all these guys have a product, a course, a coaching program, an agency service, even us, right? It can be, for example, a chiropractor, a plastic surgeon, anything that sells for a premium product, anything, product or service applies to this, okay? So we have the business owner right here that has a product, I don't know, let's just call it the low end, $3,000, okay? Let's just say $3,000 right here. Now, here is the thing. As you saw, there's, I don't know, in Nick's case, 600,000. Let's just say 100,000 followers that follow this one business owner or one influencer. It can also be in fitness. There's a ton of fitness influencers out there. Like, I don't know, let me give you another example of another one of our clients. Lady Boss right here. So Lady Boss, boom. She's actually another one of our clients in fitness. Let me give you another one. Aaron Nemo right here. Boom, right? So all these guys, this one has almost 1 million followers. Wow. So like all these guys need help when it comes to this because it is literally virtually impossible for every single one of them, like Aaron Nemo, Lady Boss, or Nick, to be able to talk to these people and sell this product. So here's where you come in, because as a social closer, literally all you're doing is leveraging their business model. You're leveraging their expertise. You're leveraging the hard work that they put in for years in order to get the business to where it is, to grow those followers, to build credibility, to do all that stuff. And you're leveraging their business and pretty much partnering up with them and taking a big percentage for doing so, for simply talking to people and explain the products and services that the people are already interested in. Example, these are 100,000 people that follow this one influencer, let's just say in fitness. Let's just say is, I don't know, King Keto. Or, I don't know, Gregor Gallagher from Keto Body. Or Lady Boss. Let's just say it's Lady Boss, okay? Lady Boss, okay? Let's just say it's that one. So she runs, I think, at the peak from their fitness business that we're doing like $50 million a year or $30 million a year, something like crazy. So all these women follow Lady Boss because they want to lose weight, all like this stuff. Perfect. Now, here's the problem. We need to sell more products and services. Her product, I think it was like 3K or something like that. Awesome. So she has low ticket, upsells, all that stuff. So now, who's going to talk to these leads? Who's going to explain these products and services to these people to see if we can help them, right? These people are already following Lady Boss because they want to lose weight. So all you're doing is talking to these people right here and just on Zoom, on Skype, on Instagram DMs, just chatting back and forth. And that is it. Just texting. Like literally, if you can text, if you can upload a picture on Instagram, if you can DM on Instagram, like you can do this too. It is as simple as that. And that's really all you're doing. And for doing so, you're making a 10% commission on every single sale that you close. Okay, this is the reason why it's called social closer or digital closer or online closer, right? The difference here is that you're doing it with a high ticket price point, right? Because it is a premium offer, a high ticket product or service. Plastic surgeons, chiropractors, salons, all that stuff also apply. Because it's a high ticket product and price point, your commission, 10%, it's also very high. It will not be the same thing as, let's just say, for example, you're selling this group for $10 and your commission is 10% of the $10, you make $1. Great, you made $1. That's not a very good use of your time. You want to be selling something that makes you, at the very minimum, $100 an hour, okay? At the very minimum, $100 per hour, minimum, right? Which means that it allows you to grow very quickly if you're working, let's just say, part-time. And let's just say you're closing 30%, you're making like $100 to $200 a day you're making, right? That's like on the low end. You can make a heck of a lot more than that, like a ton more than that, and depending obviously on what you sell. So this is like basically the concept of it. Now, how does this practically work, okay? And hopefully you understood this and this makes sense. How does this practically work? Now, in order to do this, obviously, all these clients trust me because we're running their marketing, we're consulting them, we're helping them grow their followers, we're helping market their products and services, but they're coming to me saying, yo, Josue, we're canceling the contract because we got too much traffic. Or, hey, don't grow our marketing or don't spend that much money. And ultimately it hurts me because I want to keep going. I want to push further. I want to go. But if they don't have the people to be able to sell more, then ultimately I'm hurt. And that's where you come in and that's where I need your help. So Basically what we're going to do is the following. We're going to provide you with literally all the training, all the scripts, absolutely everything that you can literally just read. Like you can literally read, copy and paste, and that's it. Just from your phone right here, boom, and that's it, okay? Very, very simple, which allows you to do this from anywhere, remote, on the internet, part-time, full-time, doesn't matter, and allows you to make high-ticket commissions just like you saw, okay? Which allows me to keep growing the marketing side of things and allows you to make a ton of money, okay? So we're gonna provide you all the training and a full certification as well. So obviously this training is not free, okay? And the reason why it's not free is because of the following. I need to make sure that you're committed. If I'm gonna put my name on the line to say, hey, Johnny or whoever, right, is watching this video, Johnny right here is a solid social closer. He went through the Gram Sales Academy. He knows the process. And influencer, you can spend money on marketing and bringing in leads and giving them leads to Johnny, the warm leads, giving the leads to Johnny because he will close them. And business owner, you're going to make money. Johnny's going to make money. And I'm going to make money, right? Now, here's the problem. If I say that and you're not committed, you don't show up, you're not certified, I don't know if you know the process or not, I don't know if you're following the systems or not, I don't know if you know the scripts or not, then if I say, hey, Johnny is solid, business owner spends a ton of money in marketing, brings the inbound leads and warm leads to Johnny, and then Johnny doesn't close and doesn't do a good job, then I look bad, right? So that is the reason why this is. But it's very, very simple. My guarantee is the following. If you're committed, you go through the process. It's very simple. It's not hard at all. I will guarantee that you will make, or you have a vehicle that will make you at the very minimum, at least $100,000 over the next year. Okay, and that is a guarantee that we will put in writing in a legally binding contract with myself, the company, and you. Okay, that way you know for a fact that the money that you paid, okay, the money that you paid for the academy was well worth it. You got trained and you got certified and you got the vehicle that you were promised. Okay, that is the main thing. In college, you go to college, you spend, I don't even know, like $5,000, $10,000 per semester at the very minimum, and you end up leaving college with nothing. Like I have 2 master's degree, an engineering degree, and an associate's degree, and I spent a ton of money on college, and it served me for nothing. Okay, so kind of know what I'm talking about on that side. The point here is like you'll pay for the certification, the training, everything, and then in 6 to 8 weeks, just a couple of weeks from now, when we start on the first week of May, on May 1st, you're going to have this opportunity right here to make at the very minimum $100,000 in the first year. Okay, you will have the vehicle to make it happen, and that's on the low end. You can make $300,000 or more. You can literally make the money that a neurosurgeon is making just by doing this remote, part-time or full-time, whichever one you like, and do it in a way that allows you to have the time freedom, location freedom because it's remote. You can do this from anywhere, and also the financial freedom because you're going to make a ton of money from it. So that's pretty much it. Now, next steps, okay? Next steps, we're only taking, like I said, 15 to 20 people. That is it. We're starting, right now is April 13th. As I'm recording this video, we're starting on May 1st, the first week of May, okay? So next steps for you are gonna be the following. There's gonna be a link down below on the description of this YouTube video, okay? That's gonna look something like this. Oh, side note. Also, let me show you something right here. There's, every day, we have, literally, this 483, 299, 82. These are all business owners applying to work with us, 347. These are all business owners applying to work with us that need, again, social closers to do this. Like, we literally have a ton of opportunity for every single one of you watching to make this happen, but we only have 20 spots because we're working with every person on a very personal level. Okay, now, there's gonna be a link down below. It's gonna take you to a form like this. You're gonna fill it out, okay? And that is it. You're gonna fill it out, and then afterwards, okay, it's gonna take you to a calendar that you're gonna book a time to speak with myself or one of the advisors on our team. Now, this is very, very important. If you do not show up to that call, your opportunity will be automatically canceled. And the reason why this is because I need to make sure that you are a serious person, that you are going to do what you say you're going to do. Because again, if I'm putting my name and the name of the company behind you, saying, hey, Johnny right here is certified, he's solid, he knows his stuff, and then you don't show up and you don't perform well, then I look bad. Okay, so I need to make sure that if you want to do this, if you don't, that's fine, no worries. But if you do, there will be a total 15 to 20 slots for people that want this, okay, to want to take this opportunity and to want to run with it and work directly with myself and the team, and at the end of the 6 to 8 weeks have a guaranteed opportunity to do it. So fill this application out. It's going to ask you a couple of questions just for us to know a little bit more about you. And then from there, you can schedule a call one-on-one with us to see if the Gram Sales Academy program might be a good fit for you. Okay, so that's ultimately the goal here. Again, you can take a look at all these results. These are all business owners that are in desperate need of people like yourself. Dave, again, started closing high ticket sales. Literally didn't have experience at all. He was a bartender when he started. And you could be working with influencers like Nick and a bunch of others. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, so let me see here. Yeah, don't think I missed anything. So if this is something that interests you, again, there's a link in the description of this YouTube video. Click it. Okay, this should also be pinned in the first comment. Click it. It's going to be right here. Okay, on this YouTube video, it's going to be right here at the top, or right here pinned to the first comment. And you can take a look at it, fill the form, and then schedule a one-on-one meeting with myself or one of the advisors on our team. If there's no slots available, it simply means we ran out of spaces. Okay, it simply means we ran out of spaces, and you're going to have to wait for the next one, which I personally don't know where we're going to do it like this, one-on-one and very like personal. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions. We're here to help. If you got questions, just DM me on Instagram. Side note, this video right here has literally 152 comments. Like, if you think 20 spots are not going to fill out, I guarantee you they will. There's 150 something like spots in here. People commenting that they're interested in Gram Sales Academy GSA, which that's what it means. And my DMs are literally exploding right now. Like, it is absolutely insane on my DMs right now. And this thing's low. Like, yeah. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you got any questions, comments, concerns. We're here to help. DM me on Instagram if you got questions. And that's pretty much it. We're looking forward to start working with you inside of Gram Sales Academy. And yeah, this is going to be very exciting. I need your help. I need people that are committed. I need people who want to make money, who want to make at the very minimum $10,000 a month, all the way to $30,000 a month. And we know we can make it happen. And again, you have the guarantee that you will have the vehicle in 6 to 8 weeks, that you will make $100,000 over the next year. And that's a guarantee that we will put in writing in a legal binding agreement between us. That way, you know you're safe. So that's pretty much it. Excited to hear back from you. Again, fill the form and hope to chat with you very, very soon. Bye for now.